back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I'm Damini Chaudhary. This is Damini Chaudhary Official. I hope you guys are doing really wonderful. Thank you so much for showing so much love on my Nykaa haul. It was really lovely. So today's video is about the Glam box that I got in the month of August, and because of some technical reasons I couldn't make the video, so I really apologize, but I'm going to do this, and plus I'm going to do the September also. So let's get on the video. And this is the August Glam Ego box. So I like the packaging, it's pink in color, and I'll open it for you guys. And I've already opened and checked all the products actually. So the first product I'm going to talk about is the Neemly face pack, the Neemly charcoal face pack. This is a very nice face pack. It's an activated charcoal face pack, and it is really nice, 100% natural and chemical free. And the second product that I'm going to talk about is this BioBloom hair cleanser, which has Brahmi and hibiscus, which is really good for the scalp if you want to use it. That's how it looks. And this is the Inveda BB cream that you guys can see. This is what I got, the third product. And the fourth is the Vanilla Vitamin E for all skin types. This is also paraben free. It's really nice. I have been using it and it is really wonderful. I think you guys can see I've used it. So this is all really nice. So I'm going to talk about the benefits. So this is the card that you get with the products that you have, and the price is also mentioned here. So the Neemly face pack is for 550 rupees. The Brahmi hair cleanser is for 399, and the vanilla cream is for 550 rupees, and the Inveda BB cream is for 150 rupees. So this is the entire box. These are monthly boxes that you get for makeup. You guys can order it. I really love this Glam Ego box for the August month, and it is really lovely. I especially love this night cream. This is really nice. I wash my face at night and then I apply it and just go to sleep, and this is amazing. Trust me guys, you should take one of these subscription boxes. They are really nice, and it's totally affordable as well. This one, I have a lot of boxes which I searched on, but this is one of the most convenient and nice boxes, and the products are really down below that how much this box was. But for this price you get for 1650. So total, if you calculate all of this products, these are going to come to 1650 rupees. The additional box that I got this month was the Glam Ego box. So this they have changed the packaging this time, and it's really amazing. So this one has a green thing and it has an anchor signatures over it, and I really like this one also as well. So again, you have the two cards that they give you and the products that they are giving you. So I'm going to talk about the first thing is the French formulated nail enamel. This is in the shade Under the Sun 07. That's how it looks. It's a really nice one, and it's exclusively packed for Glam Ego. That's what I love about it. The second product that I'm going to talk about is the BioBloom bath care and body soap. That's how it looks. So this is really pretty. It's a handmade soap, and it's really nice. I haven't used it, but I have read a lot of reviews for this. The third thing that you have is this shower gel, which is paraben free. This is the, you can use it as a face wash or as a shower gel as well. It has caffeine, and the smell is, I think, amazing. I haven't checked it, but wow, the smell is really pretty. It's just as if you want to eat all of it. And the fourth and the final thing that I'm going to talk about is my favorite of these. This is the Neemly Under Eye Cream for dark circles, as I have dark circles. So I love this product. It's really nice and really nice and cute, and it's really usable friendly as well. I love this product. It's really amazing. So the total I have are the 4 products. These are the 4 products that I got. So I'm going to tell you about the under eye cream. So this retails for in the box for 650 rupees, which is the original price. This is the eye serum. Then the French formulated nail polish is for 349 rupees. Then you have the handmade soap, which is for 125 rupees, and the shower gel is for 189 rupees. In case you want to buy it, it's really amazing. I'm gonna put it in the bottom bar. So I hope you guys like this today's video, which had my both Glam Ego boxes. It was really amazing, and I will put down in the description box the link. And it was really lovely doing it. And please do subscribe to my channel. If you're new, please hit the subscribe, and don't forget to tap on the bell button. You get notified whenever I post new videos. And you guys have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.